Hello everyone, so I decided to make a quick video about my tricopter and what problems I had and still have and why I crashed. So first of all, I'm using the EMAX 935 kV motors with 10-inch props, a CC3D Flightcontroller, a 2200 milliamp 3S battery from Turnigy, I believe, and 20 amp ESCs and a 10 channel receiver by Radiolink, together with the AT10 transmitter by Radiolink. So the problem I had here was the tail rotor. First of all, it's my first build. I'm not an experienced drone builder or anything, but yeah, it was my first build and I decided to go for a tricopter because it looked cool. And what I experienced is that tricopters have a huge problem, or at least the cheap models you can buy, the frames, sorry, and that is the tail mount where the motor sits on, or better, the connection from the tail mount to the servo who drives or who adjusts that tail mount, and also the jaw movement of your drone. So, like you can see here, there's a little movement, and that movement causes a wobbling as soon as you go like 80% throttle or 70, even 60-70% throttle. Maybe because of the torque from the motors, or like the whole thrust coming through there. It starts to wobble, and the whole copter is wobbling mid-air, and the flight controller tries to compensate it, and then the wobbling gets even stronger and you just cannot fly anymore. And what you can see here is like sometimes the whole construction, the mount, slips out of the servo, like the connection gets lost, and then you can freely move that mount. And what happens then is, as you can imagine, it just flips to one side. And if that happens mid-air, your copter just starts spinning around and you have no control over it, and it just falls from the sky, and that's exactly what happened here. So it was falling from approximately 20 to 30 meters in a field, and yeah, landed on its right arm and it broke. Fortunately, the rest of the copter is okay, but yeah, even before I had huge problems like calibrating the tail movement, like the wobbling effect. I had to adjust some values with the help of some other YouTube videos about the tricopter, about that particular model. So I adjusted some values with the help of OpenPilot, and yeah, I could basically fix the wobbling. I could fly, but yeah, still that I can't really fix the problem that the mount slips out of the servo, like when the connection gets lost between them, the physical connection. So just for you guys out there who are unexperienced like me or like I was, and planning to buy such a frame, such a tricopter. I mean, they are cheap. I got it for 25 euros on eBay, so it's you can't go wrong on them. But just to let you know, that there are these problems with the tail rotor, and you can fix the wobbling, but I just want to tell you why I crashed, and the reason is, yeah, like I mentioned, the connection between the mount and the servo got lost. So think about it twice, maybe go for a quad. I personally will switch to a quad in the future, so yeah, maybe to get started in the whole drone business, maybe you should go for a quad instead. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, or if you have the same problems, whatever, then just leave a comment, and maybe we can figure it out, or maybe we can fix it together. So thanks for watching again, and see you later.